The OnePlus 15R is officially teased, and while the phone looks powerful on the surface, there's a catch that is already disappointing many loyal OnePlus users. The device is heavily expected to be a rebranded OnePlus Ace 6 from China, and because of that, most of its specifications are already known. OnePlus is calling it an ultimate value high-quality flagship, but many decisions here don't match that promise. Yes, the hardware is impressive. We're talking about the Snapdragon 8 Elite or Snapdragon 8 Gen 5 processor, up to 16GB LPDDR5X RAM, and as much as 1TB of internal storage. The phone also brings a massive 7,800 mAh battery paired with 120-watt charging, making it one of the biggest battery upgrades OnePlus has ever offered in this price class. It also has a 6.83-inch 1.5K AMOLED display with an adaptive refresh rate that goes up to 165 Hz, giving it true flagship-level smoothness. But here's the part that has sparked criticism. OnePlus has removed the telephoto lens. Yes, the OnePlus 15R had a proper zoom camera, but the 15R only carries a 50-megapixel Sony main sensor with OIS and an 8-megapixel ultra-wide. That's it, no zoom camera at all. This feels like a downgrade at a time when Realme and iQOO are offering periscope lenses even in mid-range models. With the OnePlus Hasselblad partnership gone, the brand tried replacing it with their Detail Max engine, but it still hasn't matched the same photography quality. And there's no confirmation if the 15R will even get the Detail Max engine, which obviously reduces clarity. The selfie camera is expected to remain a 16-megapixel sensor. Design-wise, the phone comes in two color options, charcoal black and mint breeze, both already teased officially. The frame is flat, the camera module is placed at a 45-degree angle, and OnePlus has surprisingly replaced the iconic alert slider with the new Plus key, which users can customize for quick actions. Another highlight is durability. OnePlus is giving the 15R the industry's most complete set of durability ratings, IP66, IP68, IP69, and IP69. K. Dust, water, high-pressure jets. This phone is built to survive all of it, and that has become one of the biggest marketing points for the device. Internally, the OnePlus 15R matches almost everything on the Ace 6, which means performance and battery life are clearly the top priorities this year. But removing a telephoto lens and giving only two rear cameras makes the device feel like it's taking a step back. OnePlus will fully unveil the 15R on December 17th, along with the Pad Go 2 and Watch Lite. The 15R will first launch in Europe, India, and North America. As for the price, leaks suggest an Indian launch price of around 32,000 rupees, which is around $359, though official pricing is still pending and may vary by region.